Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today, that is 16th of Jan, we are going to be discussed regarding the job openings on automation testing. So this is the very first job opportunity here. So position is automation test engineer, skills is automation testing, etc. And job location would be New Delhi. They are offering for, and the qualification is BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, MSc, BCA, IT, CS, CECE, and experience they are expecting is 3 years of experience they are expecting here. So interview mode would be 2 rounds of interview, like one is for online and is virtual for the first round, and second one is technical round. And first one is technical round and second one is practical round. So this job opportunity is for only immediate joiners. There is no notice period they are offering here. So this is the job link. You can apply here. You can go to this link and you can apply directly through this link. And if you are interested, you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID they have given for, and this to this number. If you are interested, you can provide your CV to this number also. You can directly ping Kumar Anupam and you can send your resume directly to this particular person if you are interested for this job opportunity. So coming to the next job opening is for QA lead and automation testing with 5 to 15 years of experience in software quality assurance of testing. These are the key responsibilities they are expecting, like develop test cases and automation scripts for core applications and new features, and ensure defect free release of the application. So detailing a systematic approach of testing, including test scope, schedules, responsibilities, approach and reporting, etc. So if you are interested for this particular job, you can directly go through this link they have provided here, and you can apply through this link, or else you can send your resumes to this Poonam Mane for this particular person if you are interested. So coming to the next job opportunity regarding manual testing, automation testing, ETL testing, fresher IT roles, development and DevOps. So this is includes for each and every person. If you are interested for this particular freshers can also can be applicable for this job opportunity, like 0 to 12 years they are expecting. So you can directly follow this particular person and you can send your resumes to this to that particular person. So coming to the next job opportunity, it is also for automation testers. They are hiring for automation testers. So if you are interested, you can directly ping Akansha Gupta here. If you are interested, experience they are expecting is 4 to 10 years of experience, and skills from the candidate they are expecting API testing, C language and Selenium automation testing. So they are expecting like immediate joiner or candidates with short time notice period. So if you are in notice period, so you can able to apply for this job. So interested candidates can apply for the job. So coming to the next job opportunity here, so they are expecting as a trainee automation testers in Bangalore. Location would be Bangalore, and working mode would be the work from office. So if you are interested for this training automation testing, if you want to train someone, you can go through this particular job description and you can directly send your resumes to this particular person which I have given here. So coming to the next job opportunity, so candidate must have experience on product based company or telecom domain they are expecting here, and must have experience Selenium, Java, Python. So he will be providing the interview updates for your reference, and role would be automation test engineer. Location would be Austin, and hybrid mode. It would be hybrid mode. Hire type would be contract and full time they are offering here. Then duration would be 12 months or permanent. So they are expecting the candidate should must have experience on product based. These are the job details. Minimum overall years of experience they are expecting is 8 years. So strong experience in automation testing using Selenium, good experience in Java, good experience in Python, and need experience on Terraform. So if you have these particular skills, you can directly apply. If you have these particular skills you can directly apply to this job by this, like they have given the particular mail id, so you can drop your resume to that particular mail id, or you can follow this particular person. By following him, you can send your resumes to that particular person here. So coming to the next job opening here, so they are expecting ETL tester here. If you have ETL experience, they can be applicable for this job. Who has ETL experience, they can be applicable. So location would be hybrid mode and restaurant location. So they are expecting 8 years of experience in they are expecting like mandatory skills like Python, SQL, AWS, and must have experience in ETL testing with solid working knowledge on advanced SQL queries. So this is the main job description they are expecting here. Here the particular mail they have provided here. So you can directly send your resume to this particular mail ID. So coming to the next job opportunity is like a testing QA specialist senior, and the location would be Canada on hybrid mode, and 3 days of on-site and 2 days would be remote mode, and the duration would be a long-term duration, and a contract it would be a contract type. And required skills they are expecting is automation testing, API testing, Java, Python or JavaScript, Jenkins or Azure DevOps. So these are the main skills they are expecting here. If you have these skills, they can if the candidate had these skills, they can be applicable for this job. So they are they have given a note like candidate must have experience like prior OPS or public sector experience they are expecting here. This is the particular job description they have provided. So if you are interested for this job description, you can go through this particular person like Samir Pratap. You can follow him and you can send your resume to this particular person. They didn't given like any mail ID to send your resumes here, so you can follow him and you can send your resumes directly to him. So coming to the next job opening is like a ETL tester. So job type would be C2C, and passport number is mandatory they are expecting here, and mandatory skills are Python, SQL, AWS, and must have experience in ETL testing and solid working knowledge in advanced SQL query. This is the main job description. You can go through this job description and you can directly apply to the job by this particular mail ID. You can send your resumes to this particular person, or else you can directly follow this. You can directly follow this particular person, Praveen Tomar, and you can send your resumes to that particular person here. So let us go to the manual testing jobs here today. So coming to the first manual testing job. So job title would be the manual tester, and it would be a permanent remote, immediate joining, or notice period they are giving is 15 days or immediate joining, and the salary is like a 40% hike from current CTC. So they are expecting like candidates should have 0 to 2 years of experience as a manual tester. So strong understanding of software testing methodologies and best practices, experience in writing and executing the test cases they are expecting here. So if you have these particular skills, you can directly apply through this job by going through this link. So fresher candidates can be also applicable for this job. So coming to the next job opportunity is like a manual tester, and it would be a permanent remote, and notice period they are also giving as 15 days, and salary hike would be the 40% hike from current CTC, and this is the main job description. You can go through this job description like 0 to 2 years experience as manual tester. So experience in writing and executing test cases, familiarity with defect tracking tools, example Jira, like that. So knowledge of agile methodologies is a plus. So excellent communication skills and attention to detail they are expecting this particular job description. So they have given this particular job description. If you have this particular skills, you can apply through this link, or you can send your resumes to this particular mail ID they have given. So next job opportunity regarding test manager. So this is 100% remotely opportunity in India. You can send your updated resumes to this particular mail ID. So the role name would be the test manager and location would be India, and it is a contract mode. So this is the job description here. test manager with strong experience in manual and functional testing, as well as prior experience in lead or managerial role. So this would be the job description. If you have these skills, so you can apply to the job by sending your resumes to this particular mail ID, or you can directly follow to Bhavesh, and you can send your resumes to that particular person. So coming to the next job opportunity, job opening, HR executive, assistant HR, manual testing, and qualification, any graduation they are expecting here. Location is work from home, they are offering, and salary would be 20k to 52k in hand, and incentives also plus for that, and shift timings would be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and it would be a 5 days working. Saturday and Sunday is fixed off. We all know that. And date of apply is as soon as possible. They didn't give any details like any date to apply this, but they are expecting the candidate should apply for the job little bit early. So if you are interested, you can send your resumes to this particular person. They have given the WhatsApp number. You can send your resumes to this particular number, or else you can follow to this particular person here, Sohel, and you can send your resumes to this particular person. Like Sohel Tanjay is the particular point of contact for this job opportunity. So thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel, ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Yeah, thank you.